Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable extensions in the Mozilla Firefox private browsing session. So if you're using in private mode, which is similar to incognito mode in Google Chrome, if you want to allow certain extensions to have access to the browser when in such mode, even though typically those extensions are disabled by default, I'm going to show you guys how to enable them. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the Firefox browser. Just go ahead and left click on that. And then go down and select Settings. On the left side, select Extensions and Themes. And then on the left side, select the Extensions button up here at the top. And any extensions that are listed under here, you want to select the extension on this list, and where it says run in private windows, when allow the extension will have access to your online activities while private browsing, select the allow option, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.